Welcome back. We are almost there. Now we need to log into PHPMyAdmin, tweak the tables so they can be used properly. So logging into PHPMyAdmin is usually your website address / PHPMyAdmin. If it doesn't work, it means that the hosting provider are using different links. Ask them for it and they will be able to tell you what the link is. Now that's the important part. That is where you have to get the tables ready to be used. You need to ensure that the auto increment is correct on the table. You need to add an extra column with the data type timestamp. That is required because MySQL can then tell when the last record was edited. So follow along with me. So we're going to go into PHPMyAdmin. Now for me, because I've got the hosting account, usually they make it easy for you to get to it. So as you can see the link, if I click on it, it's got a completely different link because that's the way they have set it up. So now it's just saying it's going to redirect me. So now we are here. So now if you click on that cross here, you should see all your databases. So in this case, my doctor practice database is here. So if I click on it, you should see all the tables because we exported it. See, everything is here. Now I just want to make a note to you that the type of data that's here for the table, it's actually a table type. It says MyRSAM. It's better to change this to InnoDB. So I'm going to change this to InnoDB. So we're going to click on table bookings. Click on operations. And then here it says by table options, storage engine. MyRSAM. We change it to InnoDB. And we say go. Now if you want to see the differences and understand what is the difference, you can just go to Google search and say MyRSAM versus InnoDB and see the reason, the pros and the cons and so on. So let's do the same for all the other tables. The table doctors, operations, change it to InnoDB and we say go. Now your PHPMyAdmin will be exactly the same as my one, as they are all the same platforms. So we go to operations, change it to InnoDB, say go. I'm going to do the last one, patients, operations, InnoDB, and save it. Now let's go to table bookings. Now, if you see here, you've got browse. You can see all the data that's here. If you go to structure, you see your fields, your columns with the data type. So let's see if my data type is fine. Yes, see the data types are correct. Here it says VAR character, which is fine. We can leave it. And booking date, date time. It's perfect. We can leave it as it is. What you need to do is you need to add one column after the patient FK. You can actually put it anywhere you want it. We just need to add the timestamp. So I'm just going to show you a quicker way of what we can do. So we are in bookings view. So let's go to doctors, but right click and open new tab. Same for health insurance, right click, open new tab. Patients, open new tab. Now you've got all the tables open.